Hey guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to make this specific landing page using aura.build, lovable.dev, and also MidJourney. Overall, it will take us less than 10 minutes and anyone can do this. So let's go ahead and dive in. Okay guys, so the first thing to do is to go to aura.build, which is this URL here. After you've created an account and logged in, just click over here in templates. And what we're going to do now is we're going to choose a landing page that we like. So I think this one here looks very nice. And we can also use this here to replace it with our MidJourney video, which I'll show you guys later. So the next thing to do is to just click in here in the bottom right on code. And this is essentially the code that was used to build that hero section. And what we're going to do is just to click on Control or Commands All. And what we're going to do is just to copy the entire code base here and then go into Lovable, create a new project and say, create this exact website and then paste the code here. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's recreated the exact same website from scratch just with one single prompt by copying all that code base into Lovable. Now, if we just get a quick preview and compare the two, they're essentially exactly the same. So the next step would be to replace this image here with a video that we're going to create in MidJourney. So once in MidJourney, we can go to just click on Explore and then type in a keyword of an image that you might think will suit this specific landing page. So I've just typed in space and I'm looking for existing images. This one looks pretty cool, so we can use this. And what we're going to do is we're going to make it image to video. But what we have to do is we will have to change the ratio, the aspect ratio here. So obviously this ratio here is different to this ratio here. So the next step would be to click on this prompt here and we're going to have to provide the aspect ratio also. So my guess is this is a 19:10 aspect ratio. So if you just go ahead and chat GPT and say, update this MidJourney prompt to be a 19:10 aspect ratio. And once we have our prompt, we can go ahead and update it here and then just click submit. Okay, so we can just then click on create, and after creating multiple different images, I quite like this one. So the next step will be to convert this image to video using the animate image feature down here. So I'm just going to click high motion and then just wait for the image to convert to video. So guys, as you can see, it's created 4 different videos. I quite like this one. So we'll just go ahead and download this onto our desktop. Now the next step would be to go into our Supabase organization, and if you don't have a project, just go ahead and create one. I already have an existing project, so I'm going to go into this AI landing pages project. And in here, you can go to storage. You'll have to create a bucket and then we can just upload our video, which is this one here. So this is our video that we've just uploaded. We can just go ahead and click that specific file name and then click on here, get URL. So once we're back in our Lovable project, we can just write a prompt like this. Replace the image at the top of the landing page with this video in my Supabase bucket. It's also worth mentioning that the Supabase bucket can be either private or public. So if you set it to public, the URL, you can reference it in any Lovable project. And that means that any person with that URL can access your public bucket. So my specific bucket is a public bucket. So anyone with the URL can reference these videos. And we'll just go ahead and click create. So as you can see, it's updated the hero image with our MidJourney video. And let's just check it out in the preview URL. I'll just go ahead and refresh this. And yeah, this is our AI landing page. Now, if you want to deploy this, you can deploy it directly inside Lovable. So just go to settings and then just click on domains and click connect to domain, or you can buy one directly from Lovable. So just a quick recap, everyone. So in this video, I showed you how to build an AI landing page using Lovable, aura.build, and MidJourney. As you can see, it took less than 10 minutes and anyone can do this. Now you can further customize the website or landing page as much as you like inside Lovable. However, it just goes to show how powerful these tools are. So please guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe below, comment and like the video. If you have any more video requests, let me know. I'll try my best. And yeah, I'll see you next time.